Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Lucid. That is ticker symbol LCID. We're currently trading at 51.88 in after hours, and really we ended the day at 51.14, but we got a little pop here in after hours, so that is good. But all in all, we are down basically around 2% from yesterday's trading session. So 2 red days in a row, but we are consolidating. We're sitting right on this 9-day EMA in here. As you can see, that 9-day EMA is basically trading right at those upper 51s, 51.71. We are just above that currently. So going forward, that's going to be our immediate support / resistance, depending on if we are going to be gapping up or down tomorrow. We're gapping down, then our next support is going to be here at this 23.6 fib level, right around those low 48s. Below that, it will be this 38.2 down here, currently trading basically right at that 41.71 area. But really, this 23.6 fib is going to be a nice big support for us to kind of watch out for. You can see it was a nice resistance for us in early November as well. Now, resistance wise, what are we going to be looking at? Well, obviously, we have to mess with the high that came in today and yesterday, but really what I'm looking at is going to be the high on Monday, that 52.05. So the high that we printed on Monday, that 52.05, that's going to be a key area for us, okay? So we were above that the past 2 days, but for whatever reason, we could not hold that. We could not close above that. So therefore, that is going to be our first main resistance, is going to be that 52. Now, above that, we are going to be looking at this basically 0% fib. That's our new swing high that we have, and that was from last Wednesday. That high in there, that was up at 57.75. So that's going to be a key level for us in there. And I'm sorry, that Monday high was at 55.33. I said 52. It's going to be 55.33. So the Monday high we are looking at is 55.33. And then that high that we were printing on that past Wednesday is 57.75. So that's going to be our 2 next key resistance areas. Now, RSI in here is currently trading right around 62. Stochastics are a little bit overbought as well. Huge move at the end of October into this run in November, but a consolidation up here. So maybe just a little bit more of a reset on the RSI and stochastics before we can start working our way higher. But what's going to be all about that 9-day EMA in here going forward. Your IV ranking here is relatively low compared to itself, but there still is some juice at 17. Basically, it looks lower than what it actually is. So compared to its previous IV, yes, it is low, but there is still a lot of juice in here. You can basically, you can do whatever you want. This thing's trading like water, volume everywhere. And it looks like you do have some call skew coming in on this Friday's expiration. So like about almost 20-30 cents of call skew in here. And it looks like all your volume is going to be on those 55s and the 56s. Really, you're basically in the 30,000, 40,000 in the volume that got traded today. Really nothing close to that on the put side unless you go to the 50. So big time call skew in here. So play that as you will. Everybody's pricing in right around a $3.20 expected move by this Friday. Next Friday looks like everybody's pricing in right around $7. December monthlies, everybody is looking at a $10 expected move. You go all the way out to your January monthlies, 51 days away. It is going to be $16 expected move. Everybody is pricing in. So again, just keep an eye on that 9-day EMA going forward for immediate support and resistance. We're looking at that 55.33 level for our that high that printed on Monday for our first resistance. After that, and then our first support below that 9-day EMA. If we do not hold that, it is going to be down here at those low 48s at that 23.6 fib level. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached links to our socials in the description, and we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.